I think it's very important that we have 9 justices. I'll be submitting at 5 o'clock on Saturday the name of the person I chose for this most important of all positions.
It's very rare for there to be an opportunity for this kind of ideological switch on the court. Typically, we see members of one ideological faction of the court being replaced by members who sort of share their same inclinations. We sort of see a situation where Republican appointees are replaced by Republican appointees, Democratic appointees are replaced by Democratic appointees. But what we have here is a situation where we might see a sudden swing of the court. So if he were to be able to replace, a full third of the court over the course of, one term in the presidency, that's a significant switch, and immediately could sort of put major legislation, including the Affordable Care Act, Obamacare, in jeopardy.
The people that Donald Trump wants to put on the court are ultra-conservative right-wingers. He has said he will choose a woman, but just because you are a woman doesn't mean you're going to fight for women's rights and for equal rights for all of us. And the women that Trump has chosen are not going to do that. Amy Coney Barrett is known for being very religious. She is expected to be anti-choice. Barbara Lagoa also is a conservative justice and recently helped overturn a key voting rights law in Florida on the bench there. All her life, Ruth Bader Ginsburg was really a fighter for equal rights for women and really for men too. And in the reproductive sphere, we know she said about choice at her confirmation hearing, she famously said, "There is something central to a woman's life, to her dignity. When government controls that decision for her, she's being treated as less than a fully human adult, responsible for her own choices." And that's really the key to what Ginsburg was always fighting for and arguing for women and men to be seen and treated as humans, fully human beings, and given the same rights and have the same opportunities. Religious rights have really taken precedence among the conservative members. And there's a case that they haven't yet decided concerning coverage of birth control. That's again under the Affordable Care Act. And it was challenged on religious grounds. Religious groups say that including birth control and insurance plans is a violation of their religious freedom. And the court has given a lot of credence to religious freedom over other rights.
So I think that this appointment has the potential to radicalize Democrats. And if they take control of both the executive branch through the White House and the Senate, there's going to be a push for them to sort of right what they see as a wrong and add 2 justices to the Supreme Court potentially through court packing to sort of rectify the situation that they consider being seats stolen from them.
We already had a conservative majority on the court. So in one sense, losing Ruth Bader Ginsburg isn't a huge change. In another sense, it's a huge change. She was just such a powerful advocate. Even this woman's dissents in cases were powerful. Even if progressives and liberals don't have the edge at the court anymore, there's still Congress, and Congress has the power to make laws, and they can still do that. We don't have to be beholden to just these like nine people.